A quick little review here. Let's take a look at a couple in slope-intercept form. Remember, you always want to start with that y-intercept, so positive 2. Slope is down 2 and over 1. The next thing you want to take a look at is the inequality. In this case, since it's less than, not less than or equal to, we'll connect those points with a dashed line. And the last thing we're going to do is identify where we're testing, 0, 0. 0 goes in for x and y, which means the slope item always goes away. So is 0 less than 2? That's true. So that means this is true, which means everything on this side is true. We're then going to use positive 1 as the y-intercept. Next thing is the slope, rise 1, run 2. It is a solid line this time. Again, identify where I'm testing. Is 0 greater than 0 times 1/2 is 0. 1 is 0 greater than 1. That's false. So if that's false, everything on the bottom is false. So everything on the top is true. Alright, we're going to divide this whole thing in half. The other type, if we're dealing with x-intercepts and y-intercepts, because we're in standard form, 3x equals 5, so that's divided by 3. That's 5/3, or 1 2/3. 1 2/3, it's somewhere around here. The y-intercept, negative y equals 5, so y equals negative 5. We'll connect those with a solid line. Super easy test here. Is 0 greater than or equal to 5? No, that's false. Where was I testing? Right here. So if that's false, we're going to go to the other side of the line. X-intercept is negative 2. Y-intercept is negative 1. This time it's a dashed line because it's just less than. Is 0 less than negative 2? So I'm testing 0, 0. Is 0 less than negative 2? No. It is greater than. So we're going to go to the opposite side. Last thing we had to do today was actually write the inequality. So we want to build our equation by finding the y-intercept, so that's negative 3. Then we're going to count for the slope. So I'm going to go up 2 and over 1, so that's 2x. The origin, so 0 compared to negative 3 as we plug them in, is going to be false. So I need a false statement about 0 and negative 3. We know that 0 is greater than negative 3, so to be false, we're going to say less than. So that finishes up the equation. Alright, this time we start with that positive 3 as the y-intercept. The slope is now down 2 and over 1, down 2 over 1. This time the point that we're testing is true. So we're comparing 0 and 3. And we want a true statement. 0 is less than 3. And my line is solid, so I'll make it less than or equal to. Okay, so start with the y-intercept. Add on the slope. Test 0, 0 to see if it's true or false, and then write the inequality that way.